Air Jordan 40 recently debuted, Jordan Brand continues to honor the Air Jordan 1's milestone anniversary. The Air Jordan 1 Low remains a fan favorite thanks to its versatile style and accessible price. Set to launch ahead of fall, the latest edition arrives in a medium olive, sail, and light Orewood Brown colorway. This updated take on Peter Moore's 1985 design features suede overlays and a canvas tongue, departing from the original leather construction. Light neutrals cover the forefoot, midfoot, and heel, while a dark olive green base adds a military-inspired touch. The speckled midsole keeps the look grounded and subtly highlights the sneaker's partially recycled build. Official images have surfaced, and a release is expected by November via Nike.com and select Jordan retailers, priced at $130. This drop further cements the Air Jordan 1 Low as a stylish and practical option for both new fans and longtime collectors.